My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man, back with another video, as y'all can see. And as y'all see behind me, we got another tire shop. So y'all already know what that means, man. I'm getting some more tires once again. Them tires in lab for like 2 weeks. And here we are again. But we had a better place though, you know what I'm saying? They take a little bit better care of you, you know what I'm saying? So hoping the boy do me right, even though my rims are already damaged, so it really don't matter, but I don't want you to make them worse. And buddy had talked to me before I even put my car there. He was like, man, you know, I try to check out the rims, make sure they ain't scratched and nothing. I don't want to mess them up. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate that. I feel a little better. But we get some new tires today, and we get some bigger tires, by the way, you know what I'm saying? So they 265, so we getting 265 now. Everybody be talking about my tire being little. Well, I had 275, but the sidewall, the sidewall would be killing me, bro. So now this time, man, we got, you know what I'm saying, that good sidewall. So hopefully they look good. You're gonna clear that gap again, and we're gonna be straight, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And I'm probably gonna turn this into a little POV as well. But right now we just, you know what I'm saying, getting the tires and stuff on. Once I get the tires on, man, and pay that and all that, we'll get the POV started. Something smooth through the city real quick while I handle some more business today. And that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And you know, on the road to 15K, get your boy to 15K the quick way. I'm recording with the front camera. They kind of weird. But y'all just, you know what I'm saying, just bear with me. But yeah, man, we on the road to 15K, get your boy to 15K the quick way, Cari crew. And that's pretty much it. Y'all can see behind me, Olivia's right there. You know what I'm saying, in the cut. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that started. And when they drop the car and all that, I'll show y'all how she look after we get done. And yeah, so I'll be back. Yeah. As y'all can see, Cari crew, we got the tires on, man. They look a whole lot better. Look a whole lot better. Yeah, they look way better. Way better. I just want to show y'all how they look right quick. But since I got the camera rolling, we can go ahead and get that POV started, man. Only thing I hate about getting tires, bro, is when the sensor, you gotta wait for the sensor to get right. Cause boy, sometimes I be like, how one sensor get right and the other one be like, you know what I'm saying, BSing. But hey, man, I ain't gonna lie. I got charged more at the other spot down the street for 2 tires that was some BS. And they messed my rim up. And I got charged less here for better tires. That's just a lesson learned, man. Y'all learn from me, bro. Don't go too cheap. You feel me? Don't go too cheap. Hopefully, I'm gonna ride and see. Hopefully this sensor go ahead and get back right. Cause I ain't going too far till they get right. I need to go do something right quick right down the road anyway, but it must better get back right. I don't know why he put 40 in here, bro. Like, why do they be doing that, bro? They put 35 to 38, bro. They don't say 46. Like, what's wrong with y'all, man? Man, we cruising right now. I ain't gonna cut up on it until the tire get right. I ain't know they balanced it for me and all that. Okay, there we go. We good. We green, Cari crew. We green. But I gotta let some air out, though. Them boys be tripping. They be acting like they blowing up a balloon with these hoes. Like, hey, man. 40? Really? I don't think I need 40. But yeah, Cari crew, what's going on, man? We back in action with the traction, you know what I'm saying? We back in action with the traction, man. But yeah, as y'all can see, we just got some tires, you know what I'm saying, for this POV. And I'm just gonna be really cruising. Probably make a little noise. I test them out like I don't know. I'll test them out soon. They 265 by the way. You know what I'm saying? I had 275 before I had the tires I just put on. I just took off. They were 275, but they was 35. You know what I'm saying? These 45. No, they were 40. I think one of the two. They wasn't the sidewall I needed for these. For these cars, bro, you need 45 sidewall and up, bro. 45 and up. Like nothing less. Nothing less, bro. 50 kind of too much unless they 245 or 245 50. Look at them. They going on the red. You're not supposed to turn on red, but they cool though. But with these tires, with these kind of cars, bro, you gotta have, you know what I'm saying, 45 sidewall. Little Camaro, going that way. I think I'll wipe y'all out, man. Hope I don't make it worse. All right. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. So we're finna go ahead and get that did. You know what I'm saying. Your boy went to the dentist too. You know what I'm saying. Y'all boy keep your mouth clean, man. You know what I'm saying. Keep your mouth clean, man. Get your little, you know what I'm saying. Get your breath right. Get your gums right. You know what I'm saying. Make sure y'all floss, cause I know I don't floss like that. So I need to start. You know what I'm saying. They tell me that every time I go, I still don't be doing it. But we're gonna start doing it though. I'll stop BSing. You know what I'm saying. Ooh, Lord. I ain't gonna lie, but we riding a whole lot smoother. I ain't gonna even hold you on that one though. Olivia thick in the back now. We thick again. You know what I'm saying? We got a BBL on the tires. You know what I'm saying? BBL on Olivia. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. Some slight. Yeah, man. I really just picked the camera up, bro, because I'm like, you know what I'm saying, doing something, dealing with the whip. You know what I'm saying? A little whip maintenance. I'm getting some tires. I wasn't gonna record it. I was just gonna do a POV. But I'm gonna inform y'all and let y'all know, you know what I'm saying, keep y'all up to date. You know what I'm saying? Most stuff, so like a vlog POV type. Keep y'all up to date what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So we just got some new tires and they bigger size, so y'all can stop talking about me. You know what I'm saying? But my tire being little. Y'all know who y'all are, people that be talking to me personally. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no more skinny tire, man. We got a BBL on the tire, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so get off my meat. But anyway, we almost at 12K, Cari. I'm trying to think of stuff to talk to y'all about an update, but we almost at 12K, man. On the road to 15K, like I always say, but man, we are on the road to 12K, bro. We less than 200 people away from getting 12K, man. So y'all, well, if y'all watching the video right now, man, subscribe, man, so we can get that 12K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get that 12K real quick, like, we less than 200 away. You feel me? Literally less than 200 away, bro. So y'all get your boy right, man. That mug even feel better now when I hit that mug, man. Woo! Turn me up. Turn me up, Cari crew. Turn me up, man. Ain't nothing like a fresh set of tires, bro. Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like it. I should have been going to them boys from the get-go, because that was my go-to people. I don't know why I ain't go. It was just in a different city. Them boys got me right for a cheaper price. Come on, man. I'm tripping. I'm sorry, Olivia, bro. I ain't mean to get your feet scratched up, man. They missed up, you know what I'm saying? Bad pedicure, you know what I'm saying? That was a bad pedicure right there. Manicure, what you want to call it? Mani-pedi. Not my fault. But you know, we're gonna get you right. Ain't no telling. I may get you some more rims. Yeah, I may go back to my old wheels. I don't know. But the 5-spoke, y'all let me know which rim. What's y'all favorite rim, you know what I'm saying? SRT wheels, bro. The 5-spokes like I got, or the Hellcat rips, the ones I used to have, like, with all the spokes. I call it like a spider web effect. That's what it look like. You know what I'm saying? Which one y'all picking? 5-spokes or the other Hellcat rips that look like spider web, you know what I'm saying? Just type in Hellcat rip for those and 5-spokes for these. I know what you're talking about. Y'all comment down below which ones y'all like better. Alright now. Let's slow the roll, boy. But yeah, y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know. I need to know something. And that's in eco mode, you know what I'm saying? Eco mode, no paddle shifters. Just straight throttle, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know if y'all want me to teach y'all some little tricks and stuff about the, you know what I'm saying, about the SCAT or the SRT, you feel me? Like how downshifting without using the paddles. You can downshift all feet work, you know what I'm saying? Literally all feet work, bro. But y'all finna run in here right quick. I need to grab something. You know what I'm saying? I forgot to get it when I was here. hopefully the lady still here. I told her what I needed anyway. She just went at the table and I walked by. So I need to go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get that. With them more around, man. But yeah, come on, y'all. I'll be right back. Yeah, Cari crew, I'm back. We back. I had to handle something right quick. Just pick something up. It feels good outside, man. I ain't gonna lie, we finally getting to that weather. This is my favorite time of the year, you know what I'm saying? That fall and winter. You feel me? Cause the heat cool, but bro, it be too hot. And folks be like, especially in Georgia, folks be like, man, I'm getting tired of it being cold, you know what I'm saying? When it get hot, but I can't wait. Man, this year showed y'all that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody in there be crying, but I can't wait for it to get cold, boy. Same folk that was telling me, boy, you crazy, but I like when it hot, boy. I don't like that cold. But as soon as it get hot, when they get y'all that real heat, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys ain't like that. You trying to tell these folks, man, in Georgia, heat different, what? Humidity and heat, like come on, bro. Even at nighttime, bro, it be hot. Like, how you know it's too hot outside, bro? Like, it's a difference. It's a difference, you feel me? When it's just like, just hot with, you know what I'm saying, no humidity, a little wind blowing, thin air, you feel me? But bro, when it's hot, muggy, and you know what I'm saying, you take a bath, you walk outside, you stand outside and you can stand outside and tie your shoe. You stand back up and you already sweating? Come on, bro. Nobody trying to do all that. Y'all boy tripping, man. And then y'all boy around here. What's up with folks wearing hoodies in the summertime, bro? A lot of y'all do that in the 80s. I don't understand that. I really don't understand that. I know some of y'all be doing that, 'cause y'all boy be carrying that thing on you, and you ain't supposed to have it. Well, I'm talking about the boy that don't be carrying that thing on them. Y'all boys be having hoodies on. Y'all trying to lose weight, and then y'all don't even be big niggas. Y'all be little niggas. I be like, bro, you can't get no smaller. Like, what you trying to do? I don't know, man. I ain't never understood that either. But, you know, it's whatever. I ain't never understand that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we back, man. But like I was saying before I cut the camera off, talking about the 12K, man, we're less than 200 away. Probably by the time the video drop, we'll be like almost less than 100. Close to it, you know what I'm saying? Last time I checked, it was like almost 890, something like that, like 890. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, get your boy right. If you're watching this video right now and you haven't subscribed, and that button on the side, if you're looking at the phone, is white and it says subscribe, tap that white button, man. Get your boy to 12K, man. I'm trying to get right. Y'all boys, I'm telling you, bro, y'all boys just stay down with me. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna come up together. We're a family, Cari crew. Come join the Cari crew, bro. You won't be disappointed. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, y'all see y'all do car content. I obviously put a little mixture in there in between with the car content, or if I go vlogging or go out of town and show little stuff like that, but it's always gonna be car related or something to do with a car. You know what I'm saying? But I have a outside life of cars too, but it's just, y'all ain't really interested in that. Y'all gotta let me know if y'all interested in that, and then I'll start, you know what I'm saying, proceeding to show y'all a little bit more detail the inside of my life, you feel me? Well, still only gonna show y'all what I wanna show y'all, but, you know, just a little more, I guess, I can't even think of the word. But you know, not just all cars, strictly cars, you feel me? So, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. I ain't gotta keep telling y'all, man. Hit that subscribe button. You know you ain't hit that, bitch. Hit that mother, man. You know you ain't hit that mother, man. So go ahead and do that for me. But, also, what else I gotta talk about? I see everybody on that other video, man, that POV I did. I can't remember which one. I think it's the video before the last. Yeah, it's a sliding video, then the POV one. Whichever one the last POV I did before this one. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go comment on that. If I'm trying to get people to get 20 plus comments to tell me to get headers, you know what I'm saying, to motivate me to get some headers, bro. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want me to get headers, y'all want to hear Olivia go crazy, oblivious, making all the noise, disturbing all the peace, you know what I'm saying, disturbing all the deer, all that. Y'all comment on that video, man, get headers, you know what I'm saying, and we'll try to make something shake, man. Y'all watch all the videos, man. Don't skip the ads, especially the short ones. Don't skip them, bro. Help your boy out, man. I'm trying to get these headers, trying to entertain y'all, man. Trying to get right, man. Trying to get right. But nevertheless, I know the POV isn't that entertaining or that, you know what I'm saying, a lot of going on with driving, but it's a regular traffic day POV, man. Nothing too crazy. Just got some new tires, you know. Feeling good about that. I don't make these last this time. I done gave y'all, you know, you want to see me do something, go watch the last video. I done gave y'all that. I threw that money in the air. You know what I'm saying? I'm tired of them last probably like maybe right at 2 weeks. These finna last the rest of the year. You see what I'm saying? Real talk though. But anyway, yeah, man. I don't really like talking y'all head off too much when I ain't really doing nothing. Like it's different when I'm driving and talking versus doing this and talking. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. But that probably gonna be a wrap for this video, man. I might give y'all a little pull real quick, a little stick 'em, you know what I'm saying? And, oh, I just ran something over. Look at my boy, I just seen him. I just saw my boy, man. That's the first time somebody done caught me in traffic, man. I usually be, you know what I'm saying, creeping, crawling, and something else. Well, you know, I had to handle some business, some Benny knees, you know what I'm saying? Free my boy Tree, man. Free my boy Tree. Y'all know Tree Body, man. Free my boy Tree, man. That's crazy. The streets been real quiet lately, you know what I'm saying? Since he been gone, man. That shit, that's crazy, dog. Free my boy, man. He gonna get out of there. Boy, I love the way they call sound, boy. Good Lord. Somebody calling me. I don't know who that is, you know what I mean? I don't know who that is. That don't make any say it. But, yeah, man. Anyway. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And like I always say, man, at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit. Oh, snap, and you can touch it. Look at that. Now, look at that. Ew. Anyway. The sky's the limit. And you can touch a car crew, man. And all my religious folks, keep God first, keep them in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Stay prayed up. You feel me? I know it sounds repetitive, but I mean, just keep God first, man. Just pray every day. Thank Him for the small thing, big thing. You know what I'm saying? Ask Him for guidance. Ask Him to help you with habits you want to break that you know you need to break. Like, all that, man. You know what I'm saying? Just keep Him first in everything that you do. Always keep Him included. You feel me? Don't get the big head. Always stay humble. You know what I'm saying? Without Him, you know what I'm saying, a lot of the stuff that's going for you wouldn't even be going for you, you feel me? So, but anyway, man, also, like I say, oh, let me give y'all a pull, my bad, hold on. But, like I also said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.